On a crisp morning in the English countryside, I set out for a nature walk with my trusty horse by my side. The sun was just beginning to rise, casting a warm glow over the rolling hills and lush green fields. As we made our way through the meandering trails, the gentle clip-clop of my horse's hooves on the earthy path provided a soothing rhythm. Birds chirped overhead, squirrels scurried through the trees, and butterflies danced among the wildflowers. The fresh scent of dew-kissed grass filled the air, invigorating my senses. With each step, I felt a deep sense of peace and connection to the natural world around me. My horse and I moved in perfect harmony, our bond growing stronger with each passing moment. It was a tranquil and rejuvenating experience, one that reminded me of the beauty and serenity that can be found in the simple act of exploring nature with a beloved companion.